How to report someone in 8-ball pool. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you encounter a player who is cheating, using abusive language, or violating the game's rule, you can report them to help keep 8-ball pool fair and enjoyable for everyone. Firstly, open up 8-ball pool and complete the match with the player you want to report. Or you can also go ahead and find the player from your friend list if they are from your friend list and tap on their name or get to their profile. Now let's say this is someone I want to report. And yes, don't go around reporting random people. Once you find the person you want to report, go and click on their 3 dots right underneath their profile and you'll be able to see this pop up where you can report them. Select the reason why you are trying to report the person, such as cheating, inappropriate language, inappropriate picture, club name and so on. Just make sure to choose one of the regions and click report. Now the reports will be reviewed by the game's support team, but you may not receive a response about the outcome. Submitting false or misleading reports may violate the game's community guideline. So make sure that you are reporting the correct person, not some innocent people who are playing the game fairly. So that is how you can easily report someone in 8-ball pool. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.